Hello and welcome to the Tice Trading YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be going over the OneClickOneTrade indicator, an all-new trading tool for NinjaTrader from TiceTrading.io. NinjaTrader by default doesn't offer any methods for seamlessly managing multiple accounts or trading strategies, nor does it offer a way to enter into trades with a single click of your mouse. Our OneClickOneTrade indicator fixes all of that. Let's see how it works. By default, the OneClickOneTrade indicator will read all of the information that you already have in your chart trader and use that for order entry. So for example, the account, at the money strategy, and order quantity will all be coming from here. So it'll be using the playback account that we have here, it'll be using 2 orders to enter, and it'll be using the strategy MyStrat. If you want to use other information apart from what's inside of the chart trader, you can simply click manual account and at the money strategy selection. From here, you can select which account you would like to use. You'll have to type in the specific strategy that you want, and then you can set your order quantity to however much you would like it to be. For now, I'm going to turn that off though. When setting up the keys to trade, there's many different ways that you can go about it. You can either use a single key like Control, or you could use a combo of these primary keys like Control Shift or Alt Shift, or any of the F keys. I'm going to use Control. You do not have to choose a secondary key if you do not want to. You can leave it as just the one key. I personally prefer to have secondary keys. I'm going to use A. And then for short entries, I'm going to do Control S. Now that our indicator is all set up, we can get to trading. I'm going to be using simulated data to show you how this tool works. So simply by pressing and holding the command keys that I set, I can click on the screen to enter into trades. Notice that our indicator will by default automatically recognize when to use a limit order or a stop order. You'll also be able to see that when I enter into a trade, it uses the exact order quantity that I have listed here, and it uses the strategy MyStrat. Now let's say I want to have multiple strategies. Simply add the second indicator. Choose that you want to have a manual selection. We're still going to trade out of playback, but this time we're going to use the strategy that I have called long, and we'll use an order quantity of 2. So now that we're all set with our 2 strategies, you'll see I can come in here still with MyStrat, and I can enter into that order, but I can also come in here with long, the new strategy, which placed orders here and here, as opposed to MyStrat, which placed orders here. And you can see here I can still sell with short and buy with long. Having this tool makes handling multiple accounts and multiple strategies significantly easier and incredibly seamless, something that default NinjaTrader just simply does not offer. We also offer a basic version of the OneClickOneTrade indicator, which allows you to enter into any trades using your mouse. It simply grabs all of the information off of your chart trader and applies it to every order entry you place. In the description of this video, there will be a few links. First will be a link to the OneClickOneTrade indicator. Next will be an install guide to all free and paid for indicators that we offer at TiceTrading.io. If you have any thoughts, please feel free to leave it in the comments below or email us at info@TiceTrading.io. We'll be happy to respond to any questions or comments you may have. Thank you for joining us in this video, and as always, good fortunes.